an adventurous plot. Now that sucks, man. Oh, stop. Fine. If you're gonna be weird, you're gonna sit in the back. Oh man, now sit in back. Thank you. Alright. So is anything alright? The process? Or should I just say 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3? How should we do it? Oh yeah, we just... Ah! Here we go. Alright, let's start! Oh, what's going on? Alright, and we're off! Our adventure's going to decline. Oh, that's fine, don't worry. I'll get there just a minute. Why does it always have to decline like that? Oh yeah, word. Yeah, word. Word. Yes. Alright. What is wrong with this thing? Alright. Stop! Stop right now! Why are we in the city? I don't know why we're in the city, but that's weird. Alright, stop before it is... that was weird. That was so weird. Alright, that just happened. Of course that just happened, you know? Oh, we never know when we're gonna get there, are we? Oh, sure we are. Don't worry. We'll get there soon. Okay. That's an adventure. Why are we in this now? God. Stop. Why are we in a house? Probably because of the thing, the familiar phase. That's just how life goes. Wait, we shouldn't be here. Is this our route? I don't think this is our route. Why is this even happening? I don't know. Hey Siri, get us to Route 11. Getting you to Route 14. What? I said Route 11. Getting you to stop. Getting you. Alright, I give up. Nari, you get it. Alright. Hey, Croquet. Get us to Route 11. Getting you to Route 11. You are now ready. Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo! That was active. I don't know why Siri can't do it, but yours can. Oh yeah, that's very weird. You're lucky! Don't cry, it's gonna be okay. It's just today. Thank you for coming. I will never do that again. You can still have feelings. Alright. Alright, yes, that was interesting. That was a cool way of saying that. Yeah. Alright, real quick, get a mission. Yay, we're up! And we're up! This is gonna be an exciting plot, you guys. Yeah, that is. Well, yeah, that was Buckingham who got us the route. Wait, my phone's name is not Buckingham. It's my imaginary friend's name. Oh yeah. Well, get corn to go on the adventure. Oh my goodness. It's not corn either. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna be just that. There's a Darwin. Back now. Right now. I'm complaining. That's a big alignment on the plot. I could say that. That was quite adventurous too. I don't think we would need any. Sure. Oh yeah, Croquet is definitely on the rise here. Then why isn't Siri on the rise then? She's supposed to be moving our... Oh yeah, I have one named Houdini, and it's broken. Okay, Guess we should just stick with Nari's friend then. Alright, and we're there! Let's see how this goes. Yay! We can walk on the moon! We can walk on the moon? Yes, this is an acceptable way of, getting to know the moon. Oh yeah! This is gonna be fun on another plot. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna walk the moon. Oh yeah. By the way, what's your name? My name is Happi. What's yours? Nari? Is that a weird name? No, it's never a weird name at all. Hello. Hello. I am Happi. Happy is happy. Oh, yes. Happy rhymes with, oh yeah, it's the same sound. Is yours? Yeah, it has an accent. Don't actor. Cool worm on your head, by the way. Thank you. I was waiting for that to come in. This is... What's the matter? Oh, nothing. I was just trying to import change it. This is true. Seriously? Did it break? No, not at all. Oh. Well, I didn't know you were safe and still alive. Yeah. I would have survived the gourmet plot. Yeah, that would have definitely been another adventure. It's coming! Run! Why am I here again? No, I'm supposed to be at the adventure couch where I belong. Right. Let's just get there. No.